What's going on, everyone? In front of me, I've got the Tusk Tube Repair Kit with CO2 cartridges. This is going to be perfect for fixing those flats on the trail side, all in a kit that's easy to carry. Now, you already know flats are the worst. When you get a flat tire out on the trail, it's the ending of a good day in most cases if you're not prepared. Now, there are a lot of different ways that you can go about fixing a flat, but one of the main staples has always been these CO2 kits. Now, this is all coming together, so I've got to show you what you're getting when you purchase this kit. Now, the first thing that you're going to get in this kit is this carrying case. This is 4.5 inches tall and 5.5 inches wide. So it's super small and compact, ready to go into your backpack or your fanny pack or anything else that you're throwing your trailside tools into. The next thing you're getting is 2 CO2 cartridges. Now, one thing I will also notice is one of them comes with a replaceable sleeve to keep your hands from getting cold when you're using this CO2. Then you get this air chuck. Now, one of the cool things that I noticed when I was opening this up is this air chuck comes with a Presta adapter. So for those of you that are using this on your mountain bikes, you're ready to go if you've got a Presta. Then you're getting your patches and your rubber cement as well as your metal scuff pad all in its own protective case to make sure it's out of the elements and not getting squished in your little pack. Now, one cool thing that I love about this is all of these things, be it the rubber cement or the patches or the CO2 cartridges, are all offered separately as well. So when you need those replacement pieces, you can get them nice and easy. Now, when it comes to how much CO2 you're gonna need to use, this was something I actually did a little testing for you guys. Most dirt bikes and mountain bike fixes, you're gonna use about a canister to a canister and a half. So these two are gonna get you covered for all your flat fixes. Now, when it comes to ATV bikes, this is where I did the digging for you guys. I went out and grabbed our Tenere that's got a 150 70/18 rear tire, and that's going to require a lot of air because it's a big tire, and Yamaha's recommended pressure is 36 psi. Now, when I hooked this up and started filling it with the CO2 cartridges from flat, I found that each CO2 cartridge added 7 to 8 psi. So if you are running that recommended pressure of 36 psi, you're going to want to start with 5 of these canisters and then adjust downwards from there. Now, the last thing that I've got for you guys is a couple little tips to use. If you've ever used CO2, you already know these things get so cold when you're filling your tire. So make sure your hands are gloved or use this nice carrying sleeve right here to keep your fingers from getting cold during those trailside fixes. And then when it comes to using patches, make sure you scuff up that tube really well with that metal piece in there, because that's going to help this adhere to the tube, as well as using a lot of that rubber cement. Now, the last thing I've got for you, always make sure you find what caused that flat. I've done this many times myself. When I've patched up a tire, I've filled it up, had the same thorn puncture another hole. That's the worst. Don't do that. Make sure you find that culprit. Now, this kit is awesome, and it's going to pair great with your tire irons and other axle removal tools for in your trailside packs. Get yours by going to the link below, and as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.